is a Stanley number 220 block plane. I picked it up the other day. It's in pretty rough condition. It's got a bit of surface rust, got a bit of wear and tear, but I think all the pieces are here. Let's try to get this back to its former glory. Thanks for watching another video. Hope you stick around to the end, and let's see what I can do with this. Since this is not very rusty, I'm just going to use sandpaper to sand the sides. If it feels a bit more rusty, I'd put it in a rust bath using something like a vapor rust. So here we go, let's give it a crack. I'm gonna get my Dremel out and see if I can get into all these hard to reach places with the little wire wheel. Then I might even use a polisher. I'll see how I go. I'm going to tape off the nice polished edges and give a nice coat of black spray paint. Also, I'm going to paint this knob a nice blue color. It's all finished now. I really like the way it looks. Thanks for watching another video. See you in the next one.